Hey guys, it's my first time fully trying isaw where I'm actually gonna eat the whole thing. So we'll see if I'll like it. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's not bad. It's literally like chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chicken and the skin nga. Chicken and the skin.
No, but like the taste is chicken, but you can tell that it's like more chewy.
Thermal with sauce.
Yeah, it's not bad. Oh, like the more I chew, I can taste that it's like more on the intestine side.
Sabi mo, you're gonna eat the whole thing.
Yeah. Okay. Yes.
Try mo yung hot.
Spicy.
Ah, yeah.
Wait.
Yummers. Yummers, baby.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Like I can eat it. But I'd rather eat the chicken barbecue after.
After mo kainin lahat, rate mo. After mo malalok, rate mo. From 1 to 10.
Yung first taste niya like 8. Like 8 siya. Tapos yung nakain ko pa
Like
more. Like parang may nalasahan talaga ako na intestine siya. So bumaba yung rating ko ng mga 6. Pero yung ginamit ko yung spicy sauce, overall mga 7. Okay na. 7.